back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen is today's shoutout. If you would also like to receive a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillFication once you have done that. In today's video, I'll be doing a holiday/winter themed slime makeover. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So here's the slime I will be giving a makeover to. It is an orange butter slime. So as you can see, the slime isn't very stretchy and all of the foam beads are falling out of it. This slime is from one of my previous videos. And if you think you know from which video it is from, make sure to comment down below and I might as well pin your comment. So now let's give it a makeover. The very first thing I did was try to get rid of all of the foam beads out of the slime. Now, this process did take quite some time, and I'm sure you don't want to see it all. So let me fast forward through it just like that. Here are all the beads that I managed to take out successfully, not considering the ones that are rolling on the floor, but yeah. I just quickly want to show you how the slime looks after all the beads are out. It kind of looks like a cloud slime. Now I am just putting a few pumps of lotion into the slime, but later on I add way more than that. And add more. And then I just mix it in. You know, I gotta get all of it. Then I add a pretty good amount of shaving cream to the slime. Then I just mixed it all in. This will make the slime lighter and fluffier, and also it will lighten down the color. I made this process very messy, even though it really didn't need to be that messy. After mixing all of that in, here it is. The slime is pretty stretchy and fluffy. Now I'm just gonna add some hair gel to the slime to soften it and deactivate it a little, and mix it in. Now I am splitting the slime into two halves. I am making one of them smaller because I'm gonna be adding glue all to it, which is gonna increase it in size. So here I'm just adding some of it in, and then I'm just gonna knead it into the slime. This will lighten down the color, and it will make the slime thicker. If you think you know what slime I'm making, make sure to comment down below. And by the way, there's a hint throughout this whole video on what it is. So after I mixed all of the glue into the slime, the color wasn't light enough, so I'm gonna add shaving cream to make the slime even lighter. And mixing all of that in. I'm really happy with the texture of the slime, but not so much with the color. I needed it to become white. So I added in some white paint and then mixed it in. Then I repeated this process about 7 to 8 times in order to achieve the almost white color. And after this clip, I also added more shaving cream and more glue. So here I just have the second half of my slime and I will be dyeing it red. So now I'm just gonna mix it in. Right now I will be saying the slime that I'm making, but if you don't want to know the answer, just pause the video and guess. And if you would like, comment down below your guess. So the slime that I'll be making is basically like a peppermint candy type slime. If you guessed correctly. So then I kept adding more and more red food coloring, and this is how it turned out. The red is pretty nice, but I just wish that it was a deeper and brighter red. So here I just have the white half of the slime, and I will be swirling the two colors together. So now I'm just placing the two colors side by side, and now I'm just gonna swirl them together. It kind of looks like a peppermint themed marshmallow, because it's like so fluffy. So now I'm just taking some plastic fake snow and sprinkling it on the top. Then I'm just taking some iridescent glitter and sprinkling it on the slime. So for the charm, I'm taking like a legit peppermint candy and I'm gonna place it on the top. Here was the slime before the makeover, and here it is afterwards. I really like the texture of the slime. It is way better than before. It is very soft, smooth, silky, and spreadable, and I really like the slime. I decided to try something out, so I rolled the slime into a ball and turned it into a heart shape, and I'm covering it with plastic fake snow and iridescent glitter. Then I took some food coloring gel, and I'm drawing lines, and I'm going to make a design on the heart. I've seen something like this on Instagram, so I decided to try it out for myself. Then I took the charm and placed it onto the heart and mixed it all together. The dye did get onto my hands a little. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free and it would help me out a ton. Also, if we could reach 250 subscribers before the end of December 31st, or before the end of the year, that would be amazing. Happy holidays! Bye!